what's up guys? I'm Joseph Bivens. Welcome to Supercars Indianapolis. And today I join you in the Indianapolis Motor Speedway Tunnel because today we're going for a ride in a Lamborghini Huracan. Now I know I sounded like a complete dork right there and there are people honking at me because I'm vlogging, but I don't care because we're going for a ride in a Lamborghini Huracan. So let's roll. We're going in the Huracan, guys. You guys, this is one of the most insane experiences of my life so far, and we haven't done any kind of acceleration or anything. Yep.
I'll take you down where I pick you up.
Okay, cool. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Catch you at the next one.
Yeah, I'll bring you.
So I don't know if you guys caught that. He just said that next time we're gonna go out in the Aventador. That's gonna be absolutely epic. So there you go, that's one of the best days of my life car-wise. We just went out in a Lamborghini Huracan. Crazy tunnel runs and accelerations. I'm not even sure if you just heard that last part. Such an amazing day. And so I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please be sure to browse the channel and subscribe. And I'll see you next video.
Go hard, accelerate, no, I won't stop. I'm losing my mind.